Bhupen and Kailash are two generations of farmers from Ichnapur. They both belong to the e-Chopal in their village. ITC's internet portal for farmers, e-Chopal, brings them farming advice and updates on weather and market prices. Ashutosh is the Sanchalak of their e-Chopal. Trained by ITC, he is a source of advice for farmers in the area.
तो कास्ट कम हुई, जानकारी बढ़ी, तो उसको लेकर के काफ़ी परिवर्तन आया। जब से 2003 के बाद से आप समझिए हर वर्ष में एक नई क्रांति की तरीके से आईटीसी ने जितनी जानकारियाँ अधिकाधिक उपलब्ध कराएं, तो हमारे यहाँ किसान बहुत ज़्यादा मात्रा में उसको फ़ायदा मिला है।
Since he joined e-Chopal, Kailash's output and income from farming has gone up threefold. He grows 3 crops in the year. It is the same for Bhupen and his father, Pishambarna. They now access high-quality seeds, organic fertilizer, and pesticides. They grow soya and maize with the rains, wheat in the winter, followed by lentils.
चौपाल आने के बाद ये हुआ कि हमको यहाँ पे सारी जो चीज़ें हम बाहर मार्केट से खरीदते थे, मान लो खाद था, बीज था या अन्य दवाइयाँ हैं, कीटनाशक वगैरह, खरपतवार नाशक है, ये सारी चीज़ें जो हम बाहर से मतलब लेते थे वो भी डुप्लीकेट होता था। ये चौपाल मतलब ई चौपाल आने के बाद में ये सारी चीज़ें शुद्ध मतलब अच्छी चीज़ें जो है गुणवत्ता वाली हमें यहीं पे सारी चीज़ें मिलने लगी। और मिलने के बाद में क्या हुआ कि उससे जो है हम लोगों का टाइम बचत हुआ, टाइम के साथ साथ में पैसा भी बचत हुआ।
Their investment in productivity is fully rewarded in the Hardoi Mandi when they sell to ITC. E-Chopal provides transparent market linkage through the Samyojak, ITC's buyer in the Mandi. It is a process that is totally different from what happens elsewhere in the Mandi. Selling to ITC ensures that their grain is tested for quality. Electronic weighing guarantees that they get full value for every consignment. And straight after delivery, they receive full payment.
मंडी की अपेक्षा आईटीसी में हमको लाभ हुआ कम से कम 1100-1200 रुपये का। उतने ही गेहूं का, उतने ही माल का, मतलब 1100 रुपये 1200 रुपये हमको हर ट्राली पे अधिक मिला।
For Bhupen, ITC is a stimulus for change. ITC's demonstration plot for high-yield varieties is an incentive to higher profit in the next season. ITC enables farmers to access facilities like Kisan credit cards to meet sowing expenses. Kailash's new house is an expression of his gains from farming. Elder son Avinash, a college graduate, works with him. Younger son Rishikant is finishing high school. As his farm income grew, Kailash invested in crossbred livestock, opening up a new source of income. He also bought land on which he is growing lentils and vegetables. Bhupen's family has also moved to a new house they have built. Married for 2 years, he is studying for his BA in education. His wife Nidhi is completing an MA in sociology. Trained in computer maintenance, Bhupen works in Hardoi during the day. In response to the growing purchasing power of farmers like Bhupen and Kailash, ITC created Chopal Sagar. Rural hypermarkets that stock everything that farmers need under one roof. an environment for their rising standard of living. The final link of ITC's infrastructure for profitable farming.
गांव का रहने वाला 80% भारत है और शहरों का रहने वाला 20% लोग इंडिया है। तो अब हमारा फोकस यही होना चाहिए, जैसे आईटीसी ने बहुत जल्दी सोच लिया कि गांव का और किसान का उत्थान करके हम देश का उत्थान कर सकते हैं, अपना उत्थान कर सकते हैं, कि गांव का उत्थान करके, कृषक का उत्थान करके एक बढ़िया भारत का निर्माण किया जा सकता है।